If you ever find the need to change the field capacity of a block, it's probably because you saw something on the depth graph. So let's take this example. We just irrigated this block, and up at the 6-inch level, it did not quite come to 100%. And we inspected it, came to the conclusion that this point really should have been right on the field capacity line. That's a change of about 7%. So what we're going to do is go in and change the field capacity. Now remember, field capacity is a value that sits behind this green line. Here we're looking at it in a form that will normalize to percent or 100%. That's why it shows up as a straight line. So we're effectively going to take the value here, lower that to be the same as that, and then when we plot it, that value will show up here. So we could get to this in two ways. We can go blocks, edit field capacity down here, or since we're in the graphs and we'd like to recalculate and look at it again, I can click open the options and I go to this icon, and it's not a Mexican flag, but it's an icon for full and refull, and it says edit field capacity. Click on that, it comes up with the values, and you can see that this top value happens to be way higher than the rest. So I want to make a change of about 7%. You could calculate that. I'm going to be quick here and just grab a number and call it 2.5. And important that I do want to recalculate, click the button save, and this data is fairly old, so we would go back to 212. If I click this button here, it would go all the way back to that date. But I don't want to take the time right now, so I'm going to select a more recent date, like 1st of February, click on select, and have it recalculate from that date onwards, and it will come straight back to the graph and show me what we got now. So when I look at the graph now, I have made a change that's a little closer. I should have been a little bit more aggressive, but you understand the concept.